Hi friends, let's talk about 2022 and predictions gonna helpful for society, corporates, governments, countries out there with the help of good technology, different business models. I think if I categorize my predictions into three, four areas, I think on a nation side or a government side, there will be a lot of emphasis on collaboration among regulators like in India, Central Bank, RBI, IFCA, they will collaborate with each other for very good products. CBDC could be one of those outcomes this year with the RBI. At a national level, I can see in India, METI will come up with some good platforms on AI and blockchain. I could see that. We are sitting on very good railroads like UPI, Aadhaar, upcoming account aggregator, DigiLocker. I think many more platform consolidations will happen in India with the help of these many platforms. Secondly, on a corporate side, I could see based upon experience in pandemic, a lot of corporates will have a hybrid structure, right? A hybrid workforce. Somebody working from home, somebody working from offices. I think there will rise of a lot of collaboration tool which will help corporates to govern their work in a better direction. I think considering security is very very important, so it will not be responsibility of only IT security department, but I think corporates will collaborate with the tech service providers and will really help us to have a better security at enterprises, at a country level, and so on. Reskilling is very, very important. So I think will not emphasize more on degrees rather than how employees are getting themselves learning new skills like blockchain, AI, or anything which is coming new, right? So I think organization will have a successful agenda if they really take care of their employees. This year we have seen a lot of a churn of employees in many companies, but I think reskilling, how to really keep the momentum of a business's operations with a better skilled resources, very very gonna be important. A third thing on emerging technologies, right? So I think there will be rise of a blockchain. I think gone over the day we used to ask what is my blockchain, but I think we'll see a lot of enterprise use cases with the help of blockchain. You will see AI ML platforms getting inculcated into development environments. You don't have to really talk about another AI ML platform coming into your businesses, but I think development community product owners, what they gonna do that they will add on this layer, because this is gonna be layer just like we have a database based applications. Tomorrow you have to have a understanding of data with a better AI and a machine learning algorithm, so it has to be part of every platform which I could see emerging technology adoption. So I think RPA, intelligent automation, chatbots gonna be a momentum for every organization who were there serving with the customers on mobility. With 5G adoption or wearables, IoT, we'll see in India, outside of India also, quite a lot of different business model. What we have seen on Web 2.0 or mobility, social media, or this kind of architecture, with the 5G, demand of a customer will be huge and different. So I think that's a traction we will see in 2022. If you talk about fintech startup, that kind of industry, the kind of we have seen 40 plus unicorns in the last 1 year, right? And maybe I'll not be surprised. India will have around 150 plus unicorns in 20. Already there are three being announced in last 10-15 days in 2022. I think investment will play a lot of role for every fintech to come up with a different business model like BNPL or something for SME banks and so on. I think 2022 with will be for Web 3.0, rise of Web 3.0 with metaverse, NFTs. We talk about DeFi. Is a combination going to be helpful? Why? Because millennials will drive that business model. If you see Polygon kind of a company, almost 65% projects are on NFT. That's a way of a new web, right? Which is a web 3.0. I think we should be ready for that. We'll see a lot of startups, fintech tech companies will do a lot of work on ethical cryptos and so on. Finally, I think if you see customer, right? When you talk about customer experience will change. They will demand more to those tech fintech companies. A lot of competition will come up, so it's very very important for companies or anybody who are providing customer service. They have to see out of box and look at different form factors apart from your mobility. It will be, but we'll see something like metaverse, which is like augmented reality or virtual reality. Can you imagine, right? Facebook has rebranded themselves as a meta, right? So same way is with Apple, Google, within India, Geo also. So I think customer experience was changed heavily during pandemic. that momentum will continue more, and with 5G, wearables, and metaverse, that combination will take real life thing into virtual life, right? So I'll not be surprised we will do those meetings into AR VR environment the way we did it on a web conference in Zoom or many other tools. I think that's a wave. So customer is changing, technology is coming and helping to change. Corporates are changing. The corporates who will do a lot of research, risk around emerging technologies, and will have an eye on what government is talking about on a new technology. Like India last year announced on Atmanirbhar, or there are other technologies which will help the world to sustain, right, around 17 sustainable goals. So I think on a nation side, huge work is happening already. Every nation is come up with their own national strategy on emerging technologies. Corporate has to work, collaborate with the startups, tech companies, and keep on hearing customers what they want. If they want to collaborate with the startup fintech, they should have their own acceleration program. So I think 2022 will be an year where last year we have seen India on 46 as an innovation index, right? Maybe this year when global innovation index will be announced, we should be under 40. That's my prediction for 2022. Thank you so much. Yeah.